everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet matching numbers L79 Nova SS. Gorgeous car, guys. It's underwent a complete frame-off restoration 6 years ago. Gorgeous car. We bought the car out of Tennessee, but I believe it was originally out of Kentucky. It is a factory red-on-red car, and it does have the matching numbers L79 327 4-speed manual transmission in it with the date code correct 12-bolt rear end. Gorgeous car. We bought it out of a private collection. Now, the gentleman that we bought it from did not restore it. He bought it done. He actually added power steering and disc brakes to this car because they didn't come like that. And of course, he put the Billet Specialties wheels on it. But it does come with the factory correct white walls and hubcaps. But beautiful car. Again, factory Regal red car. 6-year-old frame-off restoration. The only thing I kind of noticed is a couple of little stone pecks on it. Not a whole lot to really pick at on the car, though, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. Says it has all the original GM metal on it. We bought it out of a private collection. I actually bought several cars from this gentleman. Yeah, you nitpick. There's a couple little dings in some of the chrome, but not a whole lot to really nitpick, guys. This is a pretty car. This is not an easy car to get a hold of either, guys. See, it's nice and straight down the sides. Again, comes with both sets of wheels. Beautiful set of Billet Specialties on it. And he's added the disc brakes. These cars came factory with manual steering and drum brakes. But it does have the, you can see it on there, the matching numbers. Engine with the correct ZI connotation, and it does have the correct casting code in the back. A Holley 4-barrel. It's factory winners or snowflake interior, or I'm sorry, intake, not interior. It's got the double hump heads, factory ram's horns, exhaust manifolds, power steering has been added as well. Correct casting code Muncie 4-speed transmission. It's got the Harrison radiator with the shroud. Pretty car. Kind of see a little watermarks there in the trim. A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. You can pick at it a little bit. Again, not trying to pick the car apart, but I like people to know what they're getting. Door handles have definitely been replaced. I like the red on red. Bucket seats, console, correct shifter. It's got the sports steering wheel. It's got all the original Fisher body seat belts in it. 37,495 on your odometer. It's got the knee knocker tach, AM radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's a 12 bolt 331 limited slip rear end. See your GM part number still on your quarter panel there. Same thing on that side. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. We put one of these. It comes with 2 sets of wheels. That's one of them. But it comes with 2 sets. It's got the factory jack with the spare. Sorry guys, sun's right behind me. Car is just as nice on the bottom. Seats are nice. Console's nice. It's got 11.5 to 1 pistons in it, know that. Fuel gauge works. Tach's functional. Parking brake, Jay? Parking brake does work, guys. Pretty car, guys. Radio?
No, I'm not getting that on a radio.
Blower motor does work, though?
It works.
Doors open and close real nice. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our new Instagram page. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, guys, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Pretty car right there. Have a great day, guys.